Hi there. I'm Noah Charney, lead writer for this exciting new project. We've been uncovering the most incredible inventions that never made it big, like a robotic lion that spits flowers, Leonardo da Vinci's creation, by the way. We even found blueprints for a personal rocket pack and a solar death ray dreamed up by Archimedes. The Black Book of Inventions is a beautifully illustrated, captivating journey through the history of what could have been. With over 120 inventions, you're in for an unforgettable ride. Join us in celebrating these brilliant ideas and be part of our next big adventure, right here on Kickstarter.